Hi guys, today I'll be reviewing the Max Catch multitasking tool, or however you want to call it. So you get this with it. You can, let's say my fingers are the belt, you can do that. You can put this around your belt, on your belt, however you want to say it. So I'm going to show you everything, and then I've got a piece of paper here. We're going to do the cut test. So you can use this for fishing. Max Catch, I think, is a fishing website. So you got the really bright part. Oh, let me turn the lights on. And then look, when it's shining into your, look how bright that is. Yeah. Sorry. So this is very small. I like it. It's very light, bright, and yeah. So then we got one knife here. Let's take it out. I don't want to cut my fingers on the video. Okay, then we got a screwdriver. That's very good. It's a small one, and often there are packages where you can just do with a small one, so that comes in handy. Can you do it back? Oh yeah, you can. I'm gonna cut myself in this video, I'm telling you. That was close. So then we got a bottle opener, and then this looks very hardcore to cut through something really rough. Just look at these edges. But I don't cut myself. Oh yeah, guys. If you want to follow me on Instagram, I'm called The Unboxer, everything small, and then a 1 at the end. It's not vlogging, but where I go, and you can ask me some questions. By the way, I'm not active on Reddit anymore. Okay, back to the video, and we'll be testing out these knives now. Wait, I'll show you the blades first. Just look at this one. That is very sharp. Let's put that one back for now. Sorry. This is very hard to put in because it's very new. Got it yesterday. So then, screwdriver, don't have to show you anything. I don't have to show you anything either. Then this. Look at that. Whoops. Here. It's very sharp. Okay. I got my paper here. It seems so dim, the light. Wait. Yeah, better. I'm gonna fold this again. And again. How long is the video? Okay, 4 minutes, not bad. Until now. So I'll hold it like that. Then I won't cut myself in. Oh god. This is more for harder stuff, but yeah, so we got this here. This is more for hard stuff, for cutting like lines by fishing, or I don't know, cutting plastic or rubber. So This is a copy from our printer. So you can see where it went in here. And it went through here. So let's fold this again. Let's try the other one. Woo! I just want to say that looks like a chainsaw with this, and then, yeah, who cares? So, this should be like the penknife, actually. What penknife? The Swiss penknife. Okay, you ready? 3, 2, 1. Ooh, that goes smooth. Okay, good. I didn't cut through my table. So, first layer definitely through. Okay, I was expecting a bit more. So this is the first layer. Well, a Swiss penknife would have cut through there. It's just through by some, you know what I mean. And where's the second layer? I can't even see that. Ah, it's here. Well, yeah, and at the end, I want to show you something. This costs about 20 to 30 euros. Then look at this. Well, I'm going to put the paper out of the way. This is for getting the hooks from fish's mouths. You do like that, and then or when you want to screw a nail out or something. And here you can cut. See it? Yeah. Try and do that. Oh God. Oh ho ho. Look at that. Just instantly went through. Let's try it again where you can see it. Oh yeah, look how easy that goes. Yeah, I haven't really got more to show you actually then. Let me just put it down here. Okay. So all together, I like it very much. I will take it everywhere. I would. I don't know if I will. By the way, do you like my spinning thingy? I like it. So I really like it. It can come in handy in many situations, I think. And yeah. Thanks guys for watching, and yeah, see ya. Have a great day.